Can strength come from being together? Let's learn a powerful lesson from a farmer and his three sons. Story 14: The Farmer and His Sons, Level 1. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who lived in a small village. He had 5 sons. All his sons were strong and hardworking, but they often quarreled with each other. They argued over small things every day. Sometimes they even fought. The farmer was very sad to see his sons fighting. He loved them all and wanted them to live happily. He always told them, "Do not fight, my sons. Live in peace." But his sons did not listen to him. They continued to argue and fight. One day, the farmer had an idea. He wanted to teach his sons a lesson. He thought for a long time and then called all his sons together. They came and stood around their father. The farmer showed them a bundle of sticks. He said, "I want you to try to break this bundle of sticks, but do not untie it." The eldest son took the bundle first. He tried to break it with all his strength, but he could not. Then the second son tried, but he also failed. One by one, each son tried to break the bundle, but none of them could do it. The farmer smiled. Then he untied the bundle and gave one stick to each son. He said, "Now, break these sticks." Each son took one stick and broke it easily. The sticks made a cracking sound as they broke. The farmer looked at them and said, "Did you see what happened? When all the sticks were together, no one could break them. But when they were separated, they broke easily." He continued, "My dear sons, this is the same with you. If you stay united and help one another, no one can harm you. But if you keep fighting and stay divided, anyone can defeat you easily." The sons understood their father's message. They felt sorry for their behavior. They promised their father that they would not fight anymore. From that day on, they lived together in peace and helped one another in their work. The farmer was very happy to see his sons living in unity. His wise lesson changed their lives forever. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall. When we stay united, no problem can break us. Remember, strength lies in unity. Like, share, and subscribe for more short moral stories.